Good morning, guys. Happy weekend. So, I wanted to just come on camera and just give you guys a little, update as to what I'm gonna do today. So it's basically gonna be like a reset day or a reset weekend. I don't know yet, but there's a bunch of stuff that I want to get done today. One, I need to do my hair. Two, I need to steam my face. So yeah, I think probably like in the last one I told y'all, I see the white stuff are coming out. I know I need to go to a professional, but I have a steam at home, so I'm going to use it until I eventually go to a professional. So that's like the two major things we need to do today. Fix our hair, resize, and maybe do my lashes. I haven't done my lashes in a while. I do not have any plans to go out tonight or anything like that. Today's what? Oh my god, today's the 23rd. So it's Labor Day here in Jamaica. It is a Saturday, so we're gonna be celebrating it on Monday, which is the 25th, but it's still a Labor Day day today. Yeah, so what is my Labor Day going to do? I have no idea, because I'm planning to just stay home and do the things I told y'all I need to do. Yeah, I'm not doing any labor today. The labor will be in my house. The labor today is me and my self-care. I do have I have some clothing to be donated. I need to drop it off for the food for the poor. So I need to do that. I'm not sure if anyone will be open today, but honestly, I don't feel like going on the road. The only thing I'll be going on the road probably today is to just get lunch ready now. And I don't know yet, but I need to do some stretching. Probably for the past few weeks I've been doing some stretching, right? So I'm gonna just bring up a YouTube video and do like a 10-minute stretch. Then I'm gonna shower. Then I need to fry me some eggs and relax until fry me eggs. Should I do my face first or hair? I'm gonna do my face first. So yeah, we're gonna shower, eat, do our steam, then do our hair. It's gonna be a crochet, because I told you I'm going natural and everything. So I am super excited. But today's literally just gonna be a slow reset day and just me taking care of myself and all of that. As it relates to housework, I don't have much. I actually swept last night. I probably need to mop, but I'll just mop tomorrow. I really don't have anything to do, only just tidy up. The bathroom has been cleaned already. I cleaned the toilet yesterday. Like I told you, I always do things like within the week, every now and then. Toilet cleans every 2 to 3 days. Like it depending. Like I live alone, but like I have my wipes right on top of my toilet. Like I just wipe it. So most of the times when I get up, just to keep it clean and fresh, that's just like a norm for me. So I wipe it every now and then with the wipes, and then you sanitize within the bowl, you clean it with bleach and everything every 2 to 3 days. That's just the norm. The bathroom, I cleaned it like probably 3 days ago, so that's not going to be cleaned until the next couple of days. I know if you guys know, I do have like a mirror, a sliding door for the bathroom, and I hate seeing it. I hate seeing the build up on the glass, but there's nothing you can do about it. Unless I wipe it off. So anyways, too much of cleaning in this talk. So yeah, I'm just gonna go start my video, my stretching. It's not exercise, it's actually stretching on the floor on my yoga mat, and I need to shower. ASAP. So I'm just gonna do that first, and then we'll see where the day takes us. But if you are interested in just seeing what I do today, I'm just going to be taking care of myself, a relaxing day today, Saturday. Continue watching. Also, if you are new here, let me introduce myself. I'm Kerrian. I'm a content creator from Jamaica, and stick and stay around to see what this video is about and what my vibe is. I'm really a mellow, chill. I like to travel. I like to go out. All the above. So remember to subscribe and like if you haven't yet, and let's continue this relaxing vlog. Let's go. All right, let's find us something to do. Let me tell you guys the channel that I normally use for my stretching. I use tone and tightening. So just typing tone and tightening on YouTube, and let me show you guys this page. So this one, they literally have over, can you guys see? They have over 3.18 million subscribers, guys. So this is what I literally use when I'm stretching. So let me find the normal. So this is the one that I use. Daily stretch 10 minutes total body stretch. I literally use this frequently. This is the one that I use. This is definitely the one that you need to go for. I love the fact that it has this leopard print right here.
This is a simple 10-minute stretching.
All right, let's get into it.
Flexibility, mobility, and relaxation. We'll start up in the neck with an upper trap stretch. Tilt your right ear over to your right shoulder until we get a comfortable stretch in the left upper trap. With your right hand, reach to the opposite side of your head and hold in a comfortable position.
Listen, that stretching video, it makes you feel so relaxing, and when you're stretching, you really feel like you are stretching your muscles. Like, this is such a great exercise, guys. If you wake up out of your bed, and you feel like you want to exercise or your bones, your muscles are tightening, just do this. Just go on tones, whatever the name is that I told you earlier, and just do the stretch. Trust me, in 10 minutes, you'll just feel better. You will definitely feel better. Alright guys, change of plans. I was gonna do my face, but I was like, it is, let me tell you guys the time. It is 3:48. 3:48. I can't believe the day is done. Basically, Saturday is done. And I haven't done anything yet. Like I finished 8 and let me turn on this. I finished 8 and I was just watching YouTube. But I feel like I need to do my hair because there is probably an option that I may go out later. I'm not sure as yet, but I just want to be prepared. Last night I got invited out and I was like, no, I'm not going anywhere. Like I'm staying home. And either way, this is how my hair looked last night. Like the good thing is about me doing my crochet hair today, I already washed and fixed my hair, came my hair, so like that's a good thing. So we're gonna get into doing our crochet hair. I bought this here from Amazon. I'll add the link down below. This is synthetic. I didn't buy any human hair. So yeah, let me tell you what I bought. It's 7 packs of curly crochet and it's in 18 inches. So I got 7 packs of these. Let me just double check if it's 7 packs. Yeah, so it's 7 packs, and then I got a crochet needle and just some little ornaments to add in the hair. So we're gonna dive into doing our hair right now while we're watching YouTube. I saw Empress uploaded a video, so I'm actually gonna put her on while doing my hair with you guys. And like I said, my hair is just cornrow all the way back, so nothing really special to see. And I did leave out my edges because of what I realized when I removed my last hair, the ones that I had in earlier in my last vlogs you guys have seen, my edges was gone right here. And remember, I was the one that did it, so all my edges here were gone. I'm like, yeah, I am leaving out my edges and protecting my edges because we are not gonna go bald. First off, we're gonna start off with this Jamaican mango and lime black castor oil, extra dark. I bought this, can you guys see? I bought this at Lee's Pharmacy off Red Hills Road. And I have my mirror here. So this is a mirror I'm going to be using while trying to figure out my hair. I'm actually in the living room doing my hair because I want to watch TV. If you guys don't know, I did bring my TV in the living room area because I figured I don't want my TV in my room anymore for now until I buy another TV. So I know I need to purchase another TV, but I think it was best since I bought like a couch. It's best to just bring the TV. It made sense to get the TV in the living room area since, you know, I bought a couch. I am getting super hot, guys. I'm gonna have to turn on the fan or the AC sooner or later. And I'm gonna get into the edges as well because we need to grow our edges. We're gonna put this down. I need to grow my edges, guys. Like, oh. I forgot I have something. So, since this is synthetic hair, let's see how long it lasts. I know I really want to buy the human hair. Oh my god, that's I do want to buy the human hair because I think it's like $100 and something. So I'm definitely gonna grab that. I'm probably gonna get that for summer because I definitely want curly hair for the summer. Something very simple, like less maintenance. Yeah, we're gonna be doing a lot of crochet here and protective styles so my natural hair can grow and just flourish, you know. All right, I also want to do a TikTok video too, so I will be right back. I want to film with this phone. I'm gonna try it with this iPhone Plus that I have because I don't know, I want my TikTok quality to be good too, just like my YouTube quality, you know. So let's start over here. Just rubbing this properly though. Leave out the edges because hey, the girl needs her edges. Like having hair with no edges, I'm not used to that life. I am not used to it, guys. All right, let's turn on. But if I turn on you're seeing the lighting from this end. This is a natural light that coming. Ooh, I need to. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use my fan. I'm gonna need to use my fan. I want the natural lighting, and the natural lighting is on my left here. So I'm gonna turn myself so the natural light is behind the camera, all of that. So we're gonna spin around from the couch to the wall area. We need a natural light going on. We gotta do the nice quality for you guys. So finally my hair is done, y'all. Finally it's done. I am loving the colors. Like I'm gonna be wearing a lot of colors you know, this year to see what color, you know, suits me, which one I like and all of that. Yeah, so the hair is finished. So I just need to fix this row right here. So over this left side here, as you can see, it's flat, but this last row is a little bit high because I need to fix it properly. So I'm basically just gonna fix it like tomorrow. It's pretty late right now. I think it's moving on to what, after 10. I did get invited to go somewhere, but I'm really not in the mood, guys. I just want to stay home and chill. The other thing too, my friend's games night is tonight, and I know I should show my face because I haven't been there over 2 months, but I really want to stay in. I'm tired. It's after 10. I just did my hair. Like, it took me a couple of hours because I was literally watching YouTube, doing my hair, stopping, watching YouTube and all of that. So it took a long time for my hair to finish and all of that. So I just gonna stay in. Tomorrow I do have somewhere to go. Excuse me, I do have a friend event to go, so that I want to do that tomorrow because they had their birthday party the other day and I didn't get to go because that was a week when I was studying, and I was like, I'm so sorry, I cannot make it, like I have to study. And that was the Sunday. Yeah, that was a Sunday, and I had exams the following days. So I was like, I'm so sorry, I can't make it. So now they're having like another event, so I am gonna go and show my face and support as usual. So yeah, we're just gonna chill for the rest of the day. Obviously, we're gonna get to do the facial, so tomorrow we are gonna do the facial. Right now I'm doing some fried rice and shrimp. I'm not sure if I'm gonna video that because I am starving. Y'all saw the egg that I had today. I only had eggs and juice today, nothing else. Like, your girl have not eaten. So I'm whipping up some shrimp fried rice right now. And the rice, I actually cooked the rice early today because like I want to do that. So I just need to do the shrimp. Oh, I'm gonna put, I don't have no onion and no ground seasoning at all. So I do have cabbage, so I'm gonna cut up the cabbage and the spinach with the shrimp and do that with the fried rice. And yes, I'm actually gonna put it on, you know, I'm gonna put it on now, finish cooking that, jump in the shower, and then we're gonna be on the couch tonight till 1 a.m, 2 a.m in the morning. Last night, guys, last night I literally went to my bed like after 1 watching Netflix. What show was I watching? I'll just put the name of the show. I finished that last night. It's a limited series. I love watching those limited series show, and it's like a small town show as well, so I do recommend watching that. Those thriller small town shows. What else? Yeah, so that's it. So tomorrow I'm gonna get up, fix my hair. How do you like it though? Comment down below and tell me how you like it. I love the color. Like I said, I'm not finished with it. I do need to clip up the end, so tomorrow we're gonna finish it and all of that. Oh, and next thing regarding, is this TV loud? Regarding the hair, it's in my Amazon storefront, so click the link in the description if you want to purchase this hair. Remember, it's very affordable, it's synthetic. So I'm probably just gonna try to do this for like 3 weeks. Yeah, so it's not something that I'm gonna keep in for like a month or anything like that. But I just wanted something quick to do. So if the link is in my bio, if you're interested, it's called Go Curl, 18 inches if I didn't say that earlier. The next thing, I'm just gonna whip it up, fix it up properly tomorrow before we head out on the road. And yeah, there's something else I want to tell you guys, but I don't remember. What was I gonna say? You know what, let's just finish cooking. I'm not gonna be doing that because I'm starved. And yeah, when I'm finished cooking and out the shower, I will just show you guys my meal. But this is a reset for today, just a relaxing Saturday. It's so good. Oh my god, looking at my garbage, I need to take it out, but there's lizards in the garbage area, so we're gonna leave the garbage till tomorrow morning. Like, my complex here, lizards, the lizards are full in this place. Like, I'm glad it ain't roaches, because if it was even roaches like full like that, I would definitely move instantly. But it's lizards. Yeah, lizards ain't friend, but just don't they make mess on the wall. It's so nasty. We're straight from, let's get into it. I'll talk to you guys later.